Hello slot lovers, and welcome to another online game review from This Week in Gambling, where today we're taking a look at the Fruit Ninja Fury online slot from the good people at Spadegaming. This medium volatility slot comes with 6 reels and 7 rows, bonus multipliers, a bonus buy, wild symbols, and cascading wins. Players immediately notice the unusual reel layout and the sliding bottom cart reel, which helps to give this game 200,704 paylines. Plus, players who land 4 or more scatter symbols trigger the free games feature, where they select a combination of free spins and multipliers. If you enjoyed our review for the Fruit Ninja Fury online slot, then please visit our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds and hundreds of additional online game reviews, plus reviews for land-based slot machines and table games. While you're there, do us a quick favor. Support our channel by clicking that subscribe button.